Yes, as you can see, we collect used construction machines such as excavators, drillers and so on. We reorganize them and sell them to the market. Brands of the machine are such as Caterpillar, Komatsu and other Chinese-made. You will see some of our cases here. For example,
CAT 320, year 2016, 49,000 work hours, asked 40K. Komatsu PC130-7, year 2014, 8,000 work hours, asked 25K. Komatsu Digger, year 2016, 9,500 work hours, asked 35K. Komatsu PC200, year 2012, 11,000 work hours, asked 25K. Komatsu PC120, year 2008, 14,000 work hours, asked 12K. Komatsu PC450, 17,000 work hours, asked 50K. Whatever machine you need, we can find one for you.